guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Debangini. So welcome back to a new video again. So yes, by the title you already know what this video is going to be about. This video is a haul video of the things that I bought from a thrift store that is in Moran, Lachit Nagar, opposite to the Sunflower Nursery and nursery ke upar. So it's kind of winter haul you can say, but it's not from a website or a shopping app, but it's from a thrift store. I was stunned when I got to know about this store, and the collection is too good. So I bought a few sweaters that is more than enough for me for this winter, I think so. Yeah, I'll show you. These are the sweaters that I bought. So hopefully I bought this cardigans and sweaters in a very affordable price. Maybe I'll not disclose it because it may go against your policies. So yes, I'll show you the sweaters, how it looks on me and how it looks individually. So let's get started with the video. मैं कल रात बनाने वाली थी वीडियो, but the lighting was not good, so I thought that I will make this video in a daylight. So yeah, so this is the cream color cardigan that has button things going on here. Cardigan तो सब ऐसे ही होते हैं, but yeah, it's not too long and not too short. Maybe it's called puffed sleeve. So the material is also too good. I'll show you how it looks on me.
Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table.
So the second one that I got is this white color v-neck sweater. It's a sweater. So it's also some kind of off-white, not the pure white wala, लेकिन ये off white kind of है. You can see also has puffed sleeve. ये भी ज़्यादा long नहीं है, ज़्यादा short भी नहीं है. ये भी
2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone.
So the third one that I got is this white. It's pure white. This white sweater, v-neck from front and back का बंद है. So it has a design backside. We can tie it here. So पहनने के बाद ही ये मतलब इसका स्टाइल समझ में आएगा आप लोगों को. So it's kind of this tying thing going on back, but how will I show it? So yes,
I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same.
so the fourth one that I got is this sweater. It's a v-neck again. Knitted है ये sweater में भी.
Stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back.
Fifth one that I got is this white cardigan. It's also puff sleeve and it has no button. It's kind of pullover, you know.
Seems but I'm missing you.
Second last one that I got is this cardigan. This is too cute. This is too cute, guys. It's also puff sleeves and oversized. So you'll see how this looks on me.
The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name.
So the last one is this cardigan. So it's also puff sleeves and that is short, kind of wrist से थोड़ा यहाँ पे खत्म होता है hand. So and this V thing going on at the back.
Every night I say that I'm alright.
guys, that's it. So yeah, I'll end this video here. Thank you very much for watching this video and hope you liked it. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. And if आपको लगा कि ये information थोड़ा useful रहा, तो please share this with your friends and family that live in Moran. So to the new viewers, I'm Debangini Gogo. You can also call me Guinea. And do subscribe my channel, like the video, and press the bell icon to get notified about my future updates. So I'll see you soon, guys. So until the next video, take care, bye bye, and love you guys.
I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it. Your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree. Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared.